Today we're doing a quick review on the Secura 1700 watt deep fryer. As you see in front of me, have the oil, oil tub. We got the heating element, the safety cover for the top, the frame or housing that the element and everything fits in, and then up here we have two small baskets inside the larger basket. It's kind of the whole works all taken apart. I took it apart, I had to clean it, and I want to clean everything up. So I'm going to pause it here. We're going to throw it back together and get ready to get some food going. But what's really cool about this, and the reason I started it this way, is I want to show you that you can pull everything apart, which makes it really easy to clean that oil, the oil basket, oil container for the cooking oil, as well as the heating element. And that is awesome, because that's not always the case with all these types of items. So yeah, it's awesome that you can pull it apart, get it nice and clean, and get it ready for the next use. So we'll be back. We're going to throw everything together, and we're going to get some food cooking. Okay, now we're assembled. The power cord is plugged in. As you see here, we have the green. It might not look so green on the screen, but it is a green power light indicating there's power to the unit. And you see the heat light is bright orange, kind of a reddish color, indicating the unit is heating. I have the unit set at 375. So at the moment, that cooking oil is heating up to temperature. While it's heating up to temperature, I'm going to get some food items in a couple of those two smaller baskets and have it all prepped. So once it's heated up to temperature, we can throw the food in and start cooking. Okay, I'm back, folks, and as you see, I got a couple, I got the dog running away. I got a handful of French fries and some little chicken strips. Nothing special or crazy, but that's what I'm going to heat up in my deep fryer for a nice little afternoon lunch. As you see here, that orange heat light is no longer on, indicating that the temperature is up to the right temperature. Oh, it just popped on, but it will pop on, especially when I put the cold food in there. There it goes. Woo-hoo. French fries, chicken strips. Of course, the heat light went back on. That's because the cold food cools it off. But we're going to put this cover on, and I'll get it situated after I pause it again. But the cover has a carbon filter that helps keep the smell of the broiling foods from maybe permeating quite as much. But it's also a nice safety feature because it keeps grease from splattering all over. It does have a nice little vent that you can look down inside as well, or not a vent, but maybe a window of sorts. So yeah, I'm gonna let this cook for about 10 minutes, and we'll see how it looks when I pull it out. Well, here we have it, folks. The meal is complete. I got some nice golden brown French fries, nice and crispy. I can tell they're going to be nice and crispy. And I got some nice crispy chicken fingers also to go with it. So I don't know if I'd call it a gourmet meal, but it'll certainly taste good and do the job. So yeah, Secura 1700 watt deep fryer. Very nice item, very handy, very easy to take apart and clean, and make some delicious deep fried foods.